In the world where it's easy to focus on what we lack, it's time to shift our perspective and uncover the true indicators of financial well-being. You might be surprised to learn that financial success isn't solely measured by the size of your bank account or the possessions you own. Join me in this eye-opening journey as we explore the signs that you're doing well financially, even if it doesn't feel like it. We'll delve into fascinating research that reveals how your financial habits and mindset can impact your overall well-being. We'll uncover the surprising link between financial stability and happiness, backed by scientific studies. But it doesn't stop there. We'll explore the importance of financial freedom and how having control over your money can lead to a sense of empowerment and peace of mind. You'll learn the hidden benefits of living within your means and how it sets the foundation for long-term financial success. It's not about deprivation, but rather smart choices that align with your financial goals. Welcome to the General Finance channel, where we're committed to helping you take control of your finances. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by credit card debt, unsure of how to create a budget, or intimidated by the world of investing? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with practical tips and insights on credit management, budgeting, and investing. We upload new videos 3 to 5 times per week, so you'll always have fresh and valuable content to help you achieve your financial goals. If you like what you see, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Let's start our journey to financial freedom together right here on General Finance. Sign number 1. You can control your spending. Being able to control your spending is a significant indicator that you're financially well. It demonstrates your ability to make conscious decisions about your money and prioritize your financial goals. Unfortunately, many individuals struggle with overspending and lack the discipline to manage their finances effectively. When you control your spending, it means that you're living within your means and not succumbing to impulsive or excessive purchases. You have a clear understanding of your financial priorities and are able to differentiate between wants and needs. By exercising discipline in your spending, you can allocate your money towards essential expenses, savings, and investments that contribute to your long-term financial well-being. On the other hand, individuals who struggle with controlling their spending often find themselves trapped in a cycle of debt and financial instability. They may rely on credit cards or loans to fund their lifestyle and accumulate high-interest debt as a result. Overspending can lead to a lack of financial security, limited savings, and difficulty achieving important financial milestones. Sign number 2. You have money in savings. Having money in savings is a clear sign that you are doing financially well and have established a strong foundation for your financial future. Having money in savings provides a safety net and financial security. It allows you to handle unforeseen circumstances such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss without relying on credit cards or taking on additional debt. This financial cushion not only protects you from financial hardships, but also gives you peace of mind and a sense of control over your financial situation. Furthermore, having savings allows you to take advantage of investment opportunities and grow your wealth over time. By allocating a portion of your savings towards investments, you have the potential to earn returns and increase your overall net worth. This can contribute to long-term financial stability and provide a source of passive income. Building savings requires discipline, budgeting, and a commitment to living within your means. It involves setting financial goals, creating a savings plan, and consistently contributing to your savings account. By prioritizing savings and making it a habit, you can gradually accumulate wealth and achieve greater financial well-being. Sign number 3. You have a steady income. Having a steady income is a clear sign that you're doing well financially and have a stable foundation for your financial well-being. It indicates that you have a consistent source of earnings that enables you to meet your financial obligations, cover your living expenses, and work towards your financial goals. In contrast, many individuals face income instability and uncertainty. According to a report by the Pew Research Center, nearly half of American adults experienced a significant income loss or reduction during the COVID-19 pandemic. Such income fluctuations can lead to financial stress, difficulties in meeting basic needs, and challenges in planning for the future. Having a steady income provides several advantages. First and foremost, it provides a sense of financial security and stability. You can rely on a consistent paycheck to cover your day-to-day expenses, pay your bills on time, and avoid financial hardships. It reduces the uncertainty and stress associated with income volatility. A steady income also allows you to plan and budget effectively. With a predictable income stream, you can allocate your funds strategically, save for emergencies, invest for the future, and pursue your financial goals with confidence. It provides a solid foundation for financial planning and enables you to make informed decisions about your money. Furthermore, a steady income provides opportunities for financial growth and wealth accumulation. With a reliable source of earnings, you can consider long-term investments, retirement planning, and other wealth-building strategies. It allows you to take advantage of compounding returns and build a strong financial future. Sign number 4, you can pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time is not only a sign of financial responsibility, but also an indication that you're in a good financial position. Unfortunately, for many people, meeting their financial obligations can be a significant challenge. A report by the Federal Reserve found that a significant portion of Americans struggle to pay their bills on time. According to the report, 40% of adults in the United States would not be able to cover an unexpected expense of $400 without borrowing money or selling something. This highlights the financial vulnerability that many individuals face. When you're able to pay your bills on time, it suggests that you have sufficient income and financial resources to meet your financial obligations without relying on credit or incurring additional debt. It demonstrates that you have a stable and consistent cash flow, allowing you to manage your expenses effectively. Paying bills on time also reflects your ability to budget and prioritize your expenses. It shows that you have a clear understanding of your financial obligations and are actively managing your finances. By paying your bills promptly, you avoid accumulating debt and maintain a positive financial standing. Sign number 5, you have a manageable debt. Having manageable debt is a clear sign that you're doing well financially and have a strong grip on your financial situation. It indicates that you have borrowed money responsibly and are effectively managing your debt obligations. In contrast, a significant number of individuals struggle with overwhelming debt. According to a report by the Federal Reserve, total household debt in the United States reached $14.95 trillion in the fourth quarter of 2020, with credit card debt alone exceeding $1 trillion. High levels of debt can lead to financial stress, limited financial freedom, and difficulties in achieving long-term financial goals. Having manageable debt means that your debt burden is within a reasonable range and aligns with your income and financial capabilities. You're able to make consistent and timely payments on your debts without sacrificing your essential needs or accumulating excessive interest charges. This also means that you're not overly reliant on credit cards or high-interest loans to cover your expenses. Instead, you have a balanced approach to borrowing, using credit responsibly, and being mindful of the interest rates and terms associated with different types of debt. Sign number 6, you don't worry about money. Not worrying about money is a clear sign of being financially well and having a solid financial foundation. When you reach a point where you can live without constant financial stress or anxiety, it reflects a sense of financial security and stability. Unfortunately, many individuals experience ongoing financial worries and struggles, which can significantly impact their overall well-being. A survey conducted by the American Psychological Association found that money remains the top source of stress for Americans, with 64% of adults reporting money as a significant stressor in their lives. Financial stress can manifest in various ways, such as sleep disturbances, relationship problems, and even physical health issues. It can be mentally exhausting to constantly worry about meeting financial obligations, making ends meet, or dealing with mounting debts. Financial well-being is not solely about the amount of money you have, but rather the sense of control and confidence you have over your financial situation. It's about having a solid financial plan, living within your means, and having a safety net for emergencies. When you can meet your financial obligations, have a savings, and plan for the future, you can navigate financial challenges with more ease and less stress. Reaching a point where you no longer worry about money requires a combination of financial discipline, planning, and sound money management. It involves living within your means, having a budget, saving for emergencies, and making wise financial decisions. Sign number 7, Youre Investing. Investing is a strong indication that you're financially well and on the path to building wealth. It shows that you have the means and the foresight to allocate your money towards long-term growth and financial security. Unfortunately, many people struggle to invest due to various reasons such as lack of knowledge, limited resources, or fear of risk. According to a study by Bankrate, only 21% of Americans invest in the stock market and 53% do not invest at all. This highlights the significant portion of the population that's not actively participating in investment opportunities. Investing opens up opportunities for diversification, which is essential for mitigating risk. By spreading your investments across different asset classes and sectors, you reduce the impact of market volatility on your portfolio. Diversification can help protect your wealth from the downturns of specific investments or sectors and improve your overall risk-adjusted returns. Sign number 8, your net worth is growing. Having your net worth grow is a clear indication that you're doing financially well and are making progress towards building wealth and financial security. Net worth is the difference between your total assets, such as savings, investments, and real estate, and your liabilities, such as loans, mortgages, or credit card debt. When your net worth increases over time, it signifies that your assets are growing at a faster pace than your debts. Unfortunately, many individuals struggle with low or negative net worth. According to a survey by the Federal Reserve, nearly 1 in 5 American households has zero or negative net worth, meaning their debts exceed their assets. This can be attributed to factors such as high levels of debt, low savings, and limited access to wealth-building opportunities. Having your net worth grow demonstrates financial progress and stability. It signifies that your assets are appreciating in value, whether through investments, real estate, or other income-generating assets. This growth can result from a combination of factors such as disciplined saving, wise investing, and strategic financial decisions. Moreover, a growing net worth represents your ability to manage and reduce debt effectively. By prioritizing debt repayment and minimizing high-interest obligations, you can increase your net worth over time. This not only improves your financial standing but also reduces financial stress and enhances your financial freedom. Sign number 9, you're insured. Being insured is a clear indicator that you're financially doing well and taking proactive steps to protect your financial stability. Insurance provides a safety net that safeguards your assets, health, and well-being against unforeseen events, mitigating the financial impact they may have on your life. Unfortunately, many individuals lack adequate insurance coverage, leaving them vulnerable to potential financial hardships. Having insurance demonstrates your commitment to protecting your assets and liabilities. Whether it's home insurance, car insurance, or liability insurance, being insured provides financial security and peace of mind. In the event of unexpected damages, accidents, or lawsuits, insurance coverage can help cover the costs, preventing you from experiencing severe financial setbacks. Health insurance is another crucial aspect of financial well-being. Medical expenses can be exorbitant, and a serious illness or injury can quickly drain your savings. According to a report by the Kaiser Family Foundation, the average cost of employer-sponsored health insurance for a family in the United States reached $21,342 in 2020. Without health insurance, individuals may face significant medical bills and limited access to necessary healthcare services. Moreover, having life insurance is an essential component of financial planning, particularly if you have dependents. Life insurance provides a financial safety net for your loved ones in the event of your untimely death. It helps replace lost income, covers outstanding debts, and can assist with funeral expenses. By having life insurance, you can ensure that your family is protected with the financial burdens that may arise in your absence. As we conclude our exploration of the signs that indicate you're doing well financially, remember that financial well-being goes beyond the numbers in your bank account. It's about having a solid foundation, making wise choices, and building a secure future, even if it may not always feel like it. Recognizing these signs can provide reassurance and motivation to continue on the path to financial success. Financial success is a journey, and it's important to stay motivated and informed along the way. Remember, the pursuit of financial well-being is not just about reaching a destination, but about continually learning and growing. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3 to 5 times per week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.